Are you trying to shed those extra pounds and achieve a leaner, healthier body? Look no further. In this video, we'll discuss the best fat burner for men that will help you reach your fitness goals. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and is known to boost metabolism. It also contains catechins, which can help increase fat burning. Simply brew a cup of green tea and enjoy its benefits daily to aid in weight loss. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with water and drink it before meals to help control your appetite and boost metabolism. Number 3. Ginger. Add fresh ginger to your meals or brew ginger tea to enjoy its fat-burning properties. Number 4. Warm lemon water. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning can kickstart your metabolism and aid in weight loss. Number 5. Cayenne pepper. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper to your meals to give them a spicy kick and reap the benefits of this natural fat burner. By incorporating these natural homemade fat burners into your daily routine, you can boost your metabolism, control your appetite, and achieve your weight loss goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe Detox Maya for more health and fitness tips.